The ideal tripod for DJI Osmo Action 6 must be lightweight, durable, highly versatile, and compatible with the standard action camera mounting system. Here we examine 3 popular tripods for DJI Osmo Action 6.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Telesin Tripod with Selfie Stick. The Telesin Tripod with Selfie Stick is widely recognized for its excellent multifunctional design, combining the stability of a tripod with the flexibility of a selfie stick. The Selfie Stick tripod for DJI Osmo Action 6 features a convenient one-piece design that combines a selfie stick and tripod into a single portable accessory. It's easy to store, simple to carry, and can stand upright as a tripod when the legs are extended. By adjusting the telescopic pole height, it also works perfectly as a desktop tripod for versatile shooting needs. Equipped with a quick-release mount adapter, it allows fast mounting or removal within seconds. The quick-release system is also compatible with other Telesin G Quick Eco accessories such as backpack clips, chest strap mounts, 360 flexible band mounts, and clamp mounts. The telescopic pole extends from 15 to 40 centimeters with a 5-stage adjustment, and the entire unit weighs only 120 grams. Its main structure is crafted from aluminum alloy for durability, while plastic auxiliary parts and silicone grip sections add comfort and enhance anti-slip stability. Despite its lightweight build, this GoPro tripod stand supports up to 2.5 kilograms, ensuring reliable performance for action cameras and various mounting setups. On number 2, we have Vrig Select Long Tripod. The Vrig Select Long Tripod directly addresses the need for greater reach and height, catering to users who require high-angle shots, group photos, or elevated fixed perspectives that a standard mini tripod cannot achieve. This model emphasizes extension, often featuring multiple telescoping sections that allow the camera to be positioned significantly farther away from the user or higher off the ground, sometimes extending to over 2 meters. Crafted from aluminum alloy and nylon fiber, this tripod is lightweight yet exceptionally strong and durable. Its anodized surface enhances wear resistance, while precision CNC processing adds extra structural strength for reliable performance. Featuring 5-section column legs with quick-release lever locks, it lets you adjust the height from 11.4 inches to 50.7 inches within seconds. Easy to fold and extend, it adapts effortlessly to different shooting environments and photography requirements. This option is perfect for vloggers, travelers, and content creators who frequently need an extended pole that can still stand on its own for wide cinematic shots. On number 3, we have Xik Tripod. The Xik Tripod typically appeals to the minimalist and the traveler who prioritizes extreme portability and rock-solid tabletop stability above all else. These tripods are often very compact, sometimes folding down small enough to fit easily into a pocket or a small drone bag, making them an excellent grab-and-go option. The design usually features simple, robust legs that provide a wide, stable base when deployed on flat surfaces like tables, rocks, or ledges. While not primarily designed for significant extension, their small size makes them incredibly useful for low-angle shots and for quickly setting up a camera for time-lapses in crowded or space-constrained areas. Many compact models feature the standard 1x4-inch screw mount for broad compatibility, along with the action camera adapter. The Xik Tripod is the essential choice for users who need a dedicated, reliable stabilizer that can be easily carried everywhere, offering dependable performance without adding significant bulk to their gear bag. So these are some of the best tripods to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.